Hey friends, it's Sarah here with Vibrant Travelers, and I am back for another edition of items I never travel without. So I mentioned in my last video that I never travel without my hotel slippers and that I put them in shoe covers. So these are cloth washable shoe covers, and I always make sure that each of the shoes that I have packed in my suitcase are wrapped either in these or something very similar, so the soles of my shoes don't touch any of my clean clothes. I also travel with a small bag for my dirty undies. Mine looks like this. It's an old Kate Spade item, which I love. That way I keep all of my dirties separate from my cleans. I never travel without a tiny little umbrella of some sort, but this is nice because not only does it not take up a lot of room in my carry-on or my suitcase, but it also can fit into my crossbody bag during the day. So if I need to whip it out, if suddenly there's weather, I have a little umbrella. And finally, most of you know my undying love for the Apple AirTag. I always have one of these in my suitcase. All of my suitcases have these, and this is just a no-brainer as far as I'm concerned. They are made also for those of you who have Android. There's a little tag made by Samsung. So more essentials for me for travel. We have the shoe covers, the underwear bag, a tiny travel umbrella, and the magical Apple AirTag. Happy travels.